everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Moonwillow Beauty. And today I'm going to be doing a review of the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. So if you want to see how I achieved this eye look, some swatches, and what I think of this palette, then please keep on watching. So first off, I just want to start by telling you guys a little bit about this palette and showing you a few swatches. I'm not going to swatch the whole thing on the video, but I can, if you let me know in the comments down below. I will leave pictures of swatches on my Instagram if you guys want to see that, so let me know. So first things first, this is the packaging. It's super cute and very summery, definitely festival. You won't catch me at a festival, just because even though I would love to go to one, I just don't have the time, money, and like nobody would really be here to watch the kids. So, but I got this palette anyway just because I love the shades inside. These are the shades. I will swatch my favorites for you. I'm going to do Swag, Trance, Dippy, and let's go for Palooza. This is what it looks like on the fingers. And as you can see, the payoff is very, very stunning. I can't really say anything other than the fact that they swatch beautifully. And as you can see here, they're so pigmented. The formula is extremely, extremely buttery and easy to work with. As you'll see here in a minute, I'm going to show you how I achieved this eye look today. This palette retails for $18 US. I'm in Canada, and I think with the exchange plus shipping, I paid $30 altogether to get this palette, which to me for 20 shades, $30 is not a bad price at all. Another thing I love about this palette is the fact that it has shade names. I don't know if you can see. I'm not sure if this is the first BH palette that has shade names, but it is my first BH palette that has shade names. And the reason why I like shade names so much is so that I can tell you guys what shades it is that I'm using when I'm doing tutorials for you. It makes it a lot easier for me. So without further ado, I'd like to get into the tutorial for you guys. As you can see that this palette is super easy to work with. The pigments are stunning. They just work really well all together for the price point. So if you've been thinking about picking the Weekend Festival palette up, I would definitely recommend it. It is really inexpensive. The shades are stunning, and it's perfect for summer and, of course, for weekend festivals. I did create another look using some different shades over on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please follow the link in my description box to go check those out. And also, I'm doing an Instagram giveaway right now, only open to Canada and the US. But if you're not following me there, please go do so that you can take part and hopefully win a palette. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for stopping by and checking out what I think of this new palette by BH Cosmetics. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10 and 17 gold stars, and would 100% recommend that if you've been eyeballing it, you pick it up because it's perfect for summertime. Thank you all so much again for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.